Alright guys, welcome to Limpopo. This is site number 2. In this video we're going to look at who the customer is, what we've got on site and what we're going to do. Stay tuned. Okay guys, good morning. Today we at the beautiful Viking Safaris where we're staying. I want to chat to you about our client Jan Louis Boerdery. So it's a commercial farm and they've got a hunting or safari and hunting wing to the farm, and we're actually staying at their hunting camp, which is a beautiful place. We're gonna install for them a 100 kilowatt grid tie solar plant, and we're going to integrate it into their generator. So this is just a quick introduction of who the client is and what we're going to do for them. Our contractors again will be Penta Building Projects. They're going to handle the construction side of it, and we're going to use solar cleaning or solar panel cleaning, Pty Limited, Alan and his team, to do the paneling, and all the cabling we're going to do ourselves. It's a good project. They want to save on the electricity bill. And they already had the generator on site, so that's also great for us. Our suppliers again will be KD Solar or KD Design, Peter and his team. The majority of the other stuff we're getting from Menlo, and the Sineng inverters we're getting from IES. We're going to run 2 projects at the same time, and yeah, stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so welcome to site. We've got a farm here, Jan Louis Boerdery, on the beautiful Mogalakwena River in Limpopo. They've got a couple of farms next to each other, and stretching out here behind me you'll see they've got workers currently in the field. So they've got a 100 kVA transformer here, and they want to reduce their bill, their Eskom bill. We were lucky enough, they already have a generator on site, also 100 kVA. We're going to build a solar plant starting from the edge here, just behind me. We're going to do, the back row is going to have 3 structures, then we're going to have 3 rows of 2 structures, and then the last row in front is only going to be 1 structure. So it's about 86-90 kilowatt worth of solar panels, and then we're going to do a genset integration on the existing Gensol from Mornay and his team in Potties. We're going to do an integration on their generator, and the construction guys, the Penta guys, they're going to build out the footings, do the concrete work, and then put up the mounting structure for us. The paneling guys will come in and do the paneling, and then that's when Solar Up will come in and pull in all the strings and do all the terminations and then start commissioning the plant. Okay guys, so in summary, we've showed you what we've got on site, and we talked about what we're going to install here, how the mounting structure is going to be put together. We spoke about who's involved with this. So that's a wrap for this episode or this video. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you soon.